Hey all, and welcome. If you are new to my channel, my name is Amanda. If you are not, welcome back. Today you are going to be following me on a business trip. One of the biggest excuses I receive when it comes to training is time, and we all know that that is not an excuse. So I'm going to show you how I pack to prepare and what I do once I arrive, so that no matter what I'm doing as far as work and travel, I'm able to maintain that lifestyle. Let's begin with packing. Okay guys, so first things first, this is my little yoga mat. It's a nice lightweight thin one that I can just fold up and keep right in my bag. I honestly never take this out of my suitcase. And then I have my band. This is my medium resistance. I only traditionally packed one band unless I'm going for a lengthier time. Because there's really no need. And then my slide discs, which if you watch the tutorial, these are super useful for core, for legs, all sorts of exercises, and they're nice and lightweight. I also have my big bag of resistance tubes. So these come from anywhere from, I think they start at 10 all the way up to 80-pound resistance. These are great. They're nice and lightweight. They have different handles. You can put them into the door frame. They are honestly useful for anything from lower body to upper body and everything in between. So you can really get that versatile workout in your hotel room. And then last but not least, I always throw in my jump rope. So I know it sounds crazy to jump rope in your hotel room, but honestly, guys, if you can do nice light little hops, which you should be doing for your joints anyways, nothing super high impact. These are fantastic, especially if you want to get that little bit of cardio in, and you can't make it down to the treadmill or run or whatever you want to do. Obviously, you're a little limited in a hotel room, so jump rope is a fantastic option. Very minimal space needed. Just watch those sprinklers in the room. So that's typically what I pack. I always pack a few days in advance. So honestly, that part was filmed a little bit ago. And that's only because I'm a little bit neurotic. And in case I forget anything, I want to be able to go back and add it and not be stuck on a business trip without the essentials. With that, we're getting ready to head out. Travel is always different, so I'm not flying today. I'm actually driving. I have a few hours that I have to drive, and so what I would typically do in this sense is I'm gonna make a smoothie, which is what I'm gonna do for you all so you can see it. It's a plant-based smoothie. It's a maca almond smoothie, which if you have not heard of Maca Root, I recommend Googling it or asking your good friend Alexa, but it does have tremendous health benefits. Male and female, it doesn't matter. It's very good for energy, and both men and women, it's supposed to help your libido, so just keep that in mind. It's like another little helpful thing if you're interested, but tremendous health benefits. Definitely look it up. The only thing that I want you to note today is normally when I make this smoothie, I will add almond butter or peanut butter. I don't actually have any at the moment, so I'm not going to put that in, but I like to add that to the smoothies. I like it a little bit thicker and I like it to fill me up. I would normally add protein as well, but I'm not going to today. So I'm going to pull out those ingredients for you, make it real quick, and then we'll get this show on the road. All right, guys, so there you have it, the maca smoothie, maca almond. Like I said, tremendous health benefits. You should definitely look into it. Give it a try. It obviously tastes really great because I will not have it otherwise, but you truly can't go wrong. So now I'm gonna get changed and we're gonna head out on the road.
Okay guys, so this room is a lot bigger than what I normally get. Like I have all of this floor space, right? So I figured this little spot that's not being used well is where I'm gonna set up my mat. And typically I will automatically put everything out as soon as I get here because that means it's in my face, right? So like I wake up, I look at the beautiful day, the sun is shining. Here it is, right here on the floor to get it in.
Hey guys, okay, ignore my appearance. I already got changed. So I made it to the hotel kind of early afternoon, got my registration in, set up my table, everything like that. I have a little over an hour before I have to be down for an evening event, dinner, networking, etc., right? So not a ton of time. Basically, I'm gonna get a quick stretch in, but as you can see, the first thing I do when I get to my room is I set up my workout space. Basically, because if it's in your face, you have no excuse. It's right there in your face, right? So I'm gonna get a quick stretch in today. I already plan out after I receive my schedule so that I have, again, no excuses. So we have a really late night tonight, a very early morning tomorrow. So with that, I have about a 2-hour window tomorrow from my appointments in the afternoon to our evening event again. What I'm gonna do is get some work done here in the room for a little bit and then do at least 30 minutes of workout before I go back down to continue our event and networking. No excuses, guys. All right, finished with our day 2, and by finished, I mean everything of a normal day is done from like 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. We have to be at dinner at 6 and then networking after, so we're gonna get a quick one in with enough time to shower before we have to be back down. Let's do this. there you have it. Nothing super complex, just setting yourself up for success, starting with your packing. I'll be sure to link everything below in case you're not sure what to put in your bag. And truly, guys, no excuses. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel, and I will catch you next time.